Across all segments, I would say, if you're a professional conference organizer, if you're a venue manager, if you're a destination marketing professional, and even if you're in any other consultancy role within the industry, this program is being designed, and it's a very unique program, doesn't exist in our industry at the moment. So what we did, took approach that when we design this kind of, or when you conceptualize this kind of a program, it's very vital that it actually caters to all segments of the industry, because we are an ecosystem. We start from one angle, one point, and we end with another point. So we took an approach that every segment within our industry are being catered through this program, so that it will benefit the industry from all aspects, so that you're not getting, if you're only a conference organizer, you're not getting qualified. Through this ICCA skills program, every level, every segment of our industry will be qualified, through which our industry will be able to deliver high quality and futuristic meetings. So the structure of the program has been carefully managed and planned in a way so that it caters to every levels of destinations, every levels of venue managers across the globe. So anybody who wants to take the program will really understand or really enlighten themselves through the program that they are learning something new. They are learning something very innovative, which they can apply across the globe on a day-to-day basis.